Good morning to all. So today I'm going to take one case study topic from space propulsion subject. So I'm going to take the following topic: electrical propulsion system versus chemical propulsion system. So here the what is meant by propulsion? Tell me. Anyone tell me what is mean by propulsion? Dharani, can you tell propulsion? Dharani? Dharani, tell me. Anyone can tell me about propulsion. What is meant by propulsion?
Sir, action is moving forward.
Okay, okay. So here the propulsion means it is a forward force, and if the propulsion, it will be act with the help of Newton's third law. What is meant by Newton's third law? Anyone can tell me?
Every force has equal and opposite reaction.
Super, super, super. So here the Newton's third law means if you apply one force means the another force will react. Like if you blow the balloon, if you release the balloon without tie, so it will be moves in other directions. That is called as Newton's third law. And here the what are the methodology they are using for case study means here for books and references and research articles. These are all the cases it will be utilized for making one case study. And next we are going to see about the comparative scientific theories for chemical and electrical propulsion. So here the for chemical propulsion, the thrust equation, it will be vary. So here the thrust means it is a forward force. And for chemical propulsion, if the thrust equation is mv plus pe, p infinity into a. Here the m is mass and ve is exit velocity, exit pressure is pe, ambient pressure is p infinity. So each and every propulsion systems, it will be vary for thrust equations and specific impulse equations and propulsive efficiency equations. And the next one is the comparative fuel for chemical propulsion and electrical propulsion. So before entering into that subject, so chemical propulsion means we have used some liquid fuels for ignition purpose. That is called as chemical propulsion. Here we have used nitrogen, hydrogen, helium, and neon, and O2. These are all the gases it will be utilized for chemical propulsion system. For electrical propulsion system, they are used for the batteries only, like xenon battery, lithium ion battery, helium neon battery. These are all the batteries. It will be utilized for this electrical propulsion. For chemical propulsion, the fuel, it will be react with the liquid, the burning will happen. So for electrical propulsion, the due to the ions like positive ion, negative ion, it will be bombarded with the one place to other place. Due to this reaction, the electrical propulsion, it will be take. So what you observe in this slide for thrust, here the more thrust it will be found in chemical propulsion compared to the electrical propulsion. So the time taken, duration of thrust time is very less in chemical propulsion, and for electrical propulsion, it will be very more. And next one is that based on application wise, the following propulsion system, it will be used for some other purpose. For example, in rocket launching and space vehicle launching, they are using the chemical propulsions only. And for geo and trajectory corrections and deep space exploration, here they are using the electrical propulsion system. So before conclusion, so what you observe from this case study? Anyone can tell me some reasons about these two propulsions? Any points?
சார் இதுல வந்து நாங்க கெமிக்கல் ப்ரொபல்ஷன் அப்புறம் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் ப்ரொபல்ஷன்னா என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாங்க சார். இதுல வந்து கெமிக்கல் ப்ரொபல்ஷன் தான் இருக்கிறதுலே அதிகமா வந்து ட்ரஸ்ட் வந்து கிரியேட் பண்ணுதுங்கிறதையும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாங்க சார். அப்புறம் இதோட அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் நிறையா சார்.
Okay. Very, very thank you. So now we are going to conclusion section. So here the most suitable propulsion system is chemical propulsion. So here they have used for the two tank. One is for fuel tank, another also one is for oxidizer tank. So the two tank it will be utilized for this propulsion. The fuel and oxidizer react with each other. The burning will happen. Due to the burning, the thrust it will be produced. Due to thrust, the space vehicles it will be moved from forward directions like ground to space. By compared to the spacecraft electrical propulsion, so here the very low thrust it will be produced compared to the chemical propulsions. So by in spacecraft we need more thrust. That's why we preferred for chemical propulsions. For like drone and some rotorcraft, we can utilize it for this electrical propulsion. So by conclusions, by comparing the two propulsions like chemical and electrical propulsion, the chemical propulsion is very useful and very it gives more thrust for in spacecraft vehicles.